Hi, this is Diane Burnham at Mercedes-Benz in Farmington. Here is a how-to video on how to use the parallel parking feature in your new Mercedes-Benz. All right, I have a parking spot ahead, one little parking spot between two cars for you, and I'm going to show you how to start the parking feature on your vehicle. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to press the P with the little camera picture on it. And then I'm going to select Parking Assist. And now my vehicle is going to be looking for a parking spot as I pull forward. The important thing to note is that the camera system in the vehicle is going to be looking at the front of this car to measure that, and it's not going to take that measurement until I pass some of the sensors in the vehicle. And then it's going to measure that distance up to the next vehicle in line that I'm trying to parallel park with. And once I pass that marker on my vehicle, it's going to show up here in my center console that there's a parking spot available for me. And there it is. So I brought the vehicle to a stop, so I'm not moving anymore. And it's showing me, do I want to do this? And it says press the P button again to initiate this. So if I just press that button there, the car automatically put my blinker on for me. It has actually put the car into reverse, and all I have to do is let go of the brake, take my foot off the brake, and watch my car do its thing. So it's already done all the math and calculations to be able to just pull right in and to show me or bring me right into the right spot. Now you can see these little red lines at the end of these green lines, and that's going to show you where the vehicle plans to stop. See those little red lines? It says, okay, I'm going to stop right there. And now it just brings me forward a little bit and comes to a stop again and engaged my vehicle into park and has completed my parking assistance. And then in reverse of that, if I want help in exiting a parking spot, now that I'm here, I can put the car into drive. Then I can select the parking button again. And now it shows parking assistance. And now it shows, do I want to exit this spot? And it says press the start button if I do. I press the start button there. And now the vehicle is going to go ahead and back up a little bit to give me a little bit more space to pull out. And then it's going to put me back into drive. And it's going to pull right out into the lane for me. And once I get out here, the car is going to say, hey, put your hands on the steering wheel and take over and do this your darn self. And that's how you use the parking assistance in the vehicle. And just as a side note to this, your vehicle may have those buttons in slightly different locations, but they will look the same and function the same for you.